How do you feel about your new remodel?
Yeah, very happy with it. The group was very easy to work with and did everything on time. Really excited with the way it turned out, and big difference from what it was for sure.
How was your experience with your project coordinator?
Miguel was great to work with. He easy to get a hold of, and always helped out and answered my questions and got back to me.
How was your experience with your installers?
I really like the install team. They were very good, very professional, real nice people, good to work with, and yeah, they were very clean, and yeah, no problems with them at all.
What did you like the most about your remodel?
The countertops for sure, they're just so nice, and the waterfall on the island I really like. Yeah, just really clean looking, and really like the stonework.
What made you choose our company?
The price was really good, and yeah, from what I shopped around with, it was right there. It was competitive with everybody price-wise or under.
Would you refer us to a friend or relative?
I would, yeah, absolutely I would. And yeah, basically let them know. It's nice because you have that three-dimensional design, so you can kind of see what you're going to get before it goes in. And yeah, I would definitely recommend